Dumelang, welcome back to the channel. Without wasting further time, let's dive into today's video. I brought you amazing content related to the revelation of brother Enigma. This one, he is sharing relationship advice.
Awubambi ifruit uyidonse esihlahleni ezulwini akuliwa. Nothing that we do roughly ezulwini everything goes in order. Uyenza izandla zakho kanje and then ubheka ifruit le then uyasmile. Uyayibheka ingathi uyayibheka ngamehlo then you smile. Then ifruit iyasuka esihlahleni ize esandleni zakho then uyayidla.
So he just mentioned that if you want the fruit of Eden, you mustn't force it. You have to smile. The fruit will come to you. We all know that he's talking about the fruit that we found in the bedroom. And basically, you don't have to force things. You have to talk with your partner nicely so that you can get the fruit from the Eden without any force or harm. And if you all know or aware, we all know that if you force things, we will end up in prison like other people that force things. So if you want the fruit from the Garden of Eden, you have to ask nicely so that your partner can give you without hesitation or being upset about it and end up regretting and making sure that you end up in prison. This is what I learned from brother Enigma. Share your thoughts about today's video. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more updated content related to this kind of videos. Thank you for watching till this far. I'll see you on my next video.